In this problem, it says given x equals 4 cosine t, y equals 3 sine t, write an equation of the tangent line to the curve at the point when t equals 3 pi over 4. Well, to find the equation of a tangent line, we need two things. We need a point and we need the slope, or just to find a line in general. So let's find the point. X equals 4 cosine of t evaluated at t equals 3 pi over 4. So that's 4 cosine of 3 pi over 4, which is equal to 4, let's see, cosine of 3 pi over 4. Here's 3 pi over 4. Cosine is negative square root of 2 over 2. So times negative square root of 2 over 2. And the 4 and the 2 cancel, so we have negative 2 square root of 2. The y value is 3 sine of t, evaluated when t equals 3 pi over 4. We have 3 sine of 3 pi over 4, which is 3 square root of 2 over 2. So the point is negative 2 square root of 2 comma 3 square root of 2 over 2. And now we need the slope of the tangent line. So we need dy over dx. Well, dy is 3 cosine of t, and dx is negative 4 sine of t. And that's going to be evaluated at 3 pi over 4. So we have 3 cosine negative square root of 2 over 2 over negative 4 times square root of 2 over 2. Negative over a negative is a positive. These are going to cancel out, so the slope is 3/4. The equation of the line is y minus 3 square root of 2 over 2 equals 3/4 times x plus 2 square root of 2. In exercise 23 through 26, find the points at which the tangent line to the curve is A, horizontal, or B, vertical. So we need the slope of the tangent line. So we have dy dx equals 3 cosine of t over dx is negative 3 sine of t. Well, the 3's are going to cancel. So we have negative cosine of t over sine of t. Well, lines are horizontal when their slopes are 0, and we got to find out where the numerator is 0. So we want to know where cosine of t is equal to 0. So t equals pi over 2 or 3 pi over 2. Which means we're going to have 2 points. And let's, how about when t equals pi over 2, the point is going to be, let's see, the x-coordinate is negative 2 plus 3 cosine of pi over 2. Cosine of pi over 2 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0, so we have negative 2, comma. If I plug pi over 2 in for y, 3 sine of pi over 2, well, sine of pi over 2 is 1, so 1 plus 3 is 4. So when t is pi over 2, the point is negative 2, 4. And when t equals 3 pi over 2, let's see what point we have. If you plug 3 pi over 2 in for the cosine, we get 0. So we get negative 2, comma. Plug 3 pi over 2 in for sine, that's negative 1. So 1 minus 3 is negative 2. The tangent line will be vertical when the denominator is 0. So we want to know when sine of t equals 0. And that's 0 and pi. So when t equals 0, we have the point, let's see, cosine of 0 is 1, negative 2 plus 3 is 1. And the y value when t is 0, sine of 0 is 0, so we have the point 1, 1. And when t equals pi, we have the point, let's see, plug pi in for cosine, that's negative 1, so negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 5, and when we plug pi in for sine, we get 0, so that value is 1.